Hi guys, let me show you today tempered glass screen protector we have for this phone. I use them a few years, since iPhone 13 model, so I'm very satisfied. So this is for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me show you how to install this. This is what you get inside. So you get frame, you get this cleaning wipes for screens, some product, how to use it to remove bubbles. Okay, you have also here QR code to watch the instructions. If you don't familiar, you get two in your package. So we will use this one now, and let me show you. So first we want to open this and clean a phone a little bit. How possible it is. So move it on side. We have here wet also. It's really important because of some fingerprint or something like that. Clean it very good, and then one more time we will use this cloth. Then we have here dust removal sticker. You want to go for, just look, is there something to remove? I see some fingerprints. Okay. Go to the whole surface, because if you leave something, you will have problem later. Okay, we will need it later. A little bit more, I think. So we have here the glass. You have here number one. Open. Actually, I need to put the frame. You see here it says on top frame to stays, so you need to put it on top. Okay. So then you just need to press in the middle. Open this. So we have this also to remove. I don't know, can you see? It's not good. Because of that, we need to use again. Now we will open again, and then now we will try with this to go completely. And now, can you see, we have one bubble here. So you can use again this dust remover, but we need to open this and go inside and try to remove. But problem is this stays on this foil. Okay. So sometimes you need few times, sometimes it will work at first time. So if you see more bubbles, then you go again to remove those bubbles from one side, and if you have bubbles here, then we are going from another side. Just a little bit peel off, and then we are going with this few times more, and that is. So now you have a perfect, we have a little bit here and here, but that will goes times. So you have now perfect screen protector. Let's start the phone. So important is that you can few times to peel off, but you be careful to don't touch this screen protector from inside with your fingers or something like that. And now you have great screen protector, and you are very safe. Really great screen protector, and I can highly recommend because I use them a lot from years now. So we will get back and leave this for another time. We have one more here. Thanks guys for watching this, and see you in some another. Bye.